All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and today we're going to discuss something that it might be common knowledge to some people, but we often forget, especially if we've driven for several years and several decades, that we're so accustomed to driving we think we're all experts and we can do other things. But a lot of times, especially in rush hour traffic or when someone's trying to get to work, they try to do two things at once. They try to drive and I can say even myself, I've tried to do a few things at once, trying to change the CD while driving, trying to talk to someone on the phone while driving. But it can get even crazier than that. I've seen people who have tried to shave while driving, and I've seen women try to put on makeup while driving, looking in the rearview mirror while trying to put on makeup or shave. So, David, is putting on makeup or shaving or any of those things, would that be considered negligent in a car accident lawsuit?
I think we all know that that is negligent actions, and you don't need a lawyer to tell you that. I think most people, common knowledge, would say, yeah, that is. But should be doing something of that nature or not? And I think, like you said, if we all do it, but in this day and age, everybody's rushing to get to work and trying to get somewhere, and they don't have time. They're shaving, doing all that stuff. But as a personal injury attorney, I would tell them that it's really not worth it. I mean, for whoever is watching this video, my recommendation would be like, it's better to be late 5 minutes or a few minutes later to work, but to avoid an accident, because sometimes, because like you said, you're shaving or things like that, especially if you're on the freeway, you're trying to go, a lot of people think, oh, I'm kind of watching the road, I know what's going on, I can see, but you can still get distracted. There could be a vehicle that changes lane, and then because of traffic slowing down, stops, you can't see it, or a truck ahead of you, which is taller than your vehicle, you think, okay, I've got enough distance, he stops, and then next thing you know, you hit it. It's really not worth it. And to answer the simple question, yes, it is negligent, but it's just not worth it, and you should definitely try to avoid that type of activity, because then you'll be sitting across from me, or worse, God forbid, I've seen some people pass away. I mean, I've seen defendants who were doing the activity that you were talking about, and as a result of not paying attention, not only do they crash into another vehicle or a pedestrian or somebody else and cause severe injuries to them, but sometimes I've seen people crash into a big rig truck and they end up passing away and dying themselves, so it's really not worth it.
Absolutely, I could not agree more. So if you have any other questions related to car accidents or any type of issue as it relates to legal information, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. You will see the phone number both in the YouTube video as well as below. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.